Every building has movement. Every mechanical system creates vibration. And when that vibration is left uncontrolled, it travels through floors, through steel, through concrete, and into the spaces where people work, rest, heal, and live. At Kinetics, spring vibration isolators are engineered to stop that transfer at the source. Spring vibration isolators are used to reduce the transmission of noise, shock, and vibration from mechanical, industrial, and process equipment into the building structure. Typical equipment includes pumps, fans, cooling towers, rooftop units, chillers, boilers, compressors, and other machinery where vibration control is critical. The purpose is simple: protect the structure, improve acoustic comfort, reduce equipment-related disturbance, and maintain performance in sensitive environments. Not all vibration problems are visible. Some are heard as hum, rattle, or low-frequency noise. Some are felt through slabs and framing. Some affect comfort, concentration, and even sensitive building functions. In critical environments, such as hospitals, laboratories, schools, commercial towers, and high-performance buildings, proper isolation is not just a technical upgrade. It is a system requirement. Freestanding isolators like FDS provide high deflection and efficient isolation for floor-mounted equipment, handling both low and high-frequency vibration. When equipment weight changes, or wind and external forces are involved, restrained isolators like FLS and FRS control movement while maintaining performance. In seismic conditions, vibration isolation alone is not enough. Advanced systems like FHS, FLSS, and KCI are designed to limit movement and keep equipment securely in place during earthquakes, while still maintaining isolation performance under normal operation. For applications requiring additional damping and controlled motion, housed spring isolators like SL and SM provide stability during startup and shutdown. And for the most demanding environments, the Titan Modular Seismic Isolator delivers high-performance restraint with field-replaceable components, ensuring reliability even after extreme events. From freestanding and restrained isolators to housed and seismic-rated systems, Kinetics delivers complete engineered solutions for vibration control, protecting equipment, protecting structures, and creating quieter, more reliable buildings.